Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Good morning everyone. My name is Fatima, daughter of Muhammad Maruf. Today is 26th January. I wish you all a very happy Republic Day. This year we are celebrating 75th Republic Day. Our constitution came into force in 26th January 1950. And I need to say that not only the Muslims who face communal problems in India, but also the Muslim freedom fighters who faced denigration by distorting history and legacy they left behind them. Most of the people who have misconception that Muslims did not contribute anything towards India's independence from British rule. So here we bring some of the greatest freedom fighters of India, played an important role in driving away to the British from their invasion, slavery and their rule. Number 1. Maulana Abul Kalam Azad. He is one of the greatest freedom fighters of India. Service to the nation did not stop after India became independent. He continued serving India till his last breath. He first took part in India's independence aged just as 16 in his second stint as a Congress president. He started Quit from India movement. He was the first education minister of India. He was conferred the Bharat Ratna in year 1922. Maulana Abul Kalam Azad, after serving to the country for over 50 years, breathed his last on 22 February 1950. Number 2. Dr. Zakir Hussain. He is another Ratna Award winner. He was the third president of India, but also the first Muslim president of India. He was 10 followers of Mahatma Gandhi's non-violence politicians. He believed that education is essential to make India youth capable of fighting against the British, and thus focused on empowering the education system. He acted as Vice Chancellor of Jamia Millia Islamia for 22 years and made it one of the finest educational institutes of India. He died on 3 May 1969, becoming the first Indian president to die on duty. Number 3. Abbas Ali. He is an Indian freedom fighter and a politician who was captain in the Indian National Army, led by Subhash Chandra Bose and inspired by Bhagat Singh and Chandrasekhar Azad. Abbas Ali joined the Indian freedom movement. In his tenure after completing his education, he joined the Indian National Army or Azad Hind Fauj and was subsequently court-martialed and sentenced on death. However, before he could serve his punishment, India attained the independence and Abbas was eventually set free. He was in jail for over 50 times all throughout his life and stayed in jail for 19 months when Indira Gandhi imposed the emergency. He died on 11 October 2014 due to the heart failure. Number 4. Tipu Sultan. You all know the Tipu Sultan. He is also known as the Tiger of Mysore. He was the ruler of Kingdom of Mysore and a pioneer of rocket artillery. He introduced a number of administrative innovations during his rule, including a new coinage system and a calendar and a new land revenue system, which initiated the growth of Mysore silk industry. He deployed the rocket against advanced British forces and allies during the Anglo-Mysore Wars, including Battle of Palilur and a siege of Srirangapatnam. He also embarked on an ambitious economic development program that established Mysore as a major economic power with some of the world's highest real wages and living standards in late 18th century. He was martyred during the 4th Anglo-Mysore Wars. So these are from Muslim freedom fighters who contribute towards India's independence and spend their lives to upliftment of this country. Thank you so much and have a nice day.